Here we are, day 3 post-op. Last night I didn't take no pills at 1 or 5. Got up about 4:30, somewhere around there to go to the bathroom. I'm staying in the recliner in the living room. Our house is open concept. Bathroom's that way. Just got super lightheaded. And later on, I say 7 o'clock, did the same thing. Not super lightheaded, but got dizzy. And I just went to the bathroom again and didn't lapse. And it was just like, whoa, what the hell's going on? I didn't have any of this feeling. I stopped from taking 2 pills last night at 9 o'clock. I didn't take no pills until this morning at around 8. Took just my baby aspirin. I didn't take my vitamin D, stool softener, your average pills you're supposed to take. I didn't take my Oxycontin. Oh, I took 1. I'm not taking 2 anymore. But yeah, it's just weird because it's like, what the hell? My feet are hot. Nothing swollen. I got a tiny little bit of bruise around the bandage, but nothing major. Nothing yet anyway. So I don't know. That's how I'm going. I had 4 pancakes. And some little tiny whatever Kellogg's makes. It's like Pop-Tarts, but really thin. Really good. So I don't know what's going on. I'm getting dizzy when I walk around. Maybe I should call the surgeon. I drank a lot of coffee this morning, so I'm cutting that off and going straight back to water. Scary though, especially when you're relying on a walker and you can't run to sit down or walk fast. I'll check back in later with you. It's 1:05. Just brushed my teeth. Got changed. Boom. Got my first BM since Friday. Boom, boom, boom. It's going to be the end of day 3 for me. Not much different. After resting, it all tenses up, tightens up. It's really stiff around the surgery area. The pain is where the incision is, where the bandage is. That's where most pain is. But then everything around it when I exercise hurts, which is to be expected because he cut through all that. He went through all my fat. Hopefully he sucked some of that out of there and threw it in the trash. So it actually wasn't too bad. But the dizziness that I was getting last night, every time I move around, I get dizzy, which isn't good. So I don't know. My family physician called and they're like, oh, well, just call us Wednesday or Friday if it keeps going on. I will say, sitting here, not moving, my weight's gonna go way up. Way up.